It's time to know one of our local golf professionals. The spotlight is now on for Anthony Tonight Fernando. Let's hear it from Tonight himself. How did he start his amateur career all the way to becoming a professional golfer?
I started 10 years old Kasi yung kapitbahay namin, meron siyang 2 anak. Sila nagpapatakbo ng isang driving range. So, in-invite ako to train with them kasi kami yung magiging pioneer ng Jung Golf doon. So, every 3 o'clock in the morning, dumadaan sila sa bahay ko. Tapos, pupunta kami sa range. Tapos yun, tinuturuan kami mag-swing. Yung drilling lang. Until mga around 6 in the morning. Tapos 6, mag-aaral na kami kasi grade 4 ako nun.
Let's hear the story behind tonight's first swing until he became part of the junior golf.
Right after ng college years, pinasok ako dun sa Southwoods, Manila Southwoods as a team. So doon nagsimula ng pagka-amateur years ko. After a year, naging Philippine team ako. Then 2006, ni-recruit ako ng ICTSI to play with them. Yun ang nag-start. Hanggang 2009, nag-turn pro ako.
Have you ever wondered how Tonight sees golf in a deeper perspective? Behold, as the 28-year-old local pro relates his understanding in life with golf.
Ang Pilipino kasi mahilig sa mga movies or yung mga teleserye, di ba? I mean, when you're in a golf course kasi or sa 18 holes, it's like you're watching movie na from hole number 1, like suspense. Hole number 2, it's a love story. Hole number 3, drama, horror. Para siyang movie. Until matapos mo yung 18 holes, doon mo makikita yung personality ng tao or yung individuality, kung paano mo i-handle yung every storyline na meron. Parang ma-reflect mo yun sa life mo. Kasi, di ba, sa golf, when you make a bad shot, di ba, kung paano mo i-recover. Like in your life, di ba, kung meron kang nagawang mistake, paano mo iba-bounce back yung sarili mo para luminya ulit yung mo.
Apart from his inspiring words, Tonight shares what he thinks is the most important part in playing golf.
Probably yung recovery shot, yung short game. Kasi yung driving naman, lahat naman nagkakamali. Tapos sa short game niya, alam mo yun, pag nagkaroon ka ng trouble na siyempre magre-recover ka. Sabi nga nila, magaling pumiga.
Now, let's see how Tonight perceives an unforgettable moment.
Every time na may tournament kasi, I mean, kung naglalaro ka, sometimes in the middle of the game, nawawala ka ng, alam mo yun, yung pag-asa. I mean, like, you're playing very bad, tapos gumip up ka na din, naglaro ka na, until na-finish mo yung game, tapos saka mo malalaman, ay, kung nag-handle pala ako ng mabuti dun, probably nasa top 5 ako or probably top 3. So yun yung pinaka, ko sa every game na nilalaro ko, na even kung anong masama yung laro mo, basta wag ka mawala ng pag-asa.
Time to know how Tonight prepares for a tournament.
Meron kang discipline na get enough rest, like sleeping almost 7 hours, eating well. Kami kasi maganda yung pagka-blend ng mga coaches namin, everything, tinuturuan kami kung paano mag-diet. So, yun, nadadala ko dun sa mga touring namin.
Tonight shares his plans and what he still wants to achieve.
For me kasi, hindi lang because na naglalaro ka dito, di ba? Life naman is not about yung dito lang You can see yourself around 2 years or 3 years. It's not that. I want na yung mga tao to remember me not only as a good player or as a good person.
Let's listen to Tonight as he gives us a little piece of advice.
Be an individual with a good personality and sometimes, di ba, being parang role model para maging kahit mga ibang tao, malalaman na ganito yung tamang It's not about yung marunong or magaling, champion. It's how you bring yourself na lahat ng tao kayang lapitan ka to say hi or hello.
Winning awards has made Anthony Fernando a well-known local professional. But what's really important for him isn't the expensive golf clubs carried by his caddy, not even the trophies handed to the winners, but the good heart every golfer has.
Hi, I'm Tonight Fernando and you're watching A Round of Golf.